Hello everyone, my name is Dzherikh. I'm permanent makeup artist, and today I want to tell you about my favorite machine for permanent makeup, eyebrows and lips. This is Xion S from PMU. I have been working on this machine for a little over a year, so I know all the advantages of the machine. Why did I choose this model? Because I currently do mostly natural powdery lips and powdery eyebrows in permanent makeup. This machine is designed for such techniques. It looks like this. Here the device itself is also spare parts, an elastic band, a replaceable elastic band, an eccentric and a machine. The device is disassembled it very well because you can sterilize the pen. An additional sterilization pen can be purchased. When you have a lot of clients, you can sterilize the pen safely. You can change the softness to hard or soft, which is very cool because I often use hard for the brows and soft for the permanent lips, in order to obtain a very light effect and no traumatic pigment penetration. There are two eccentrics in the set. An eccentric is such a small thing that you can change eccentric for create a hair stroke technique. It's very convenient because you can use one machine for create hair stroke and create powdery eyebrows. In order to set the desired softness in work, you need to remove the handle and scroll towards the softness or hardness. To change the eccentric, we open the machine on the other side and using a mini screwdriver, change the eccentric to the eccentric you need in work. The machine is not heavy and not light, but it's very comfortable to use. Thanks to the narrow notch, it's comfortable to hold in the hand. Vibration during operation is minimal. The cartridge needle system is very important to me because it's safe for both the master and the client. The membrane retains the dye if it enters the machine. If you use a nozzle needle, the ink will unfortunately fall into the machine. This is very dangerous for the client, so I recommend using cartridge needles. I prefer vertex needle. I like the quality, high assortment and choice on the site, so I only work with vertex. In permanent lip makeup, I like the diameter of 0.30 mm, one round liner. For permanent eyebrows, I like diameter of 0.30 mm or 0.33 mm, one round liner or 3 round liner. During operation, vibration from the device is minimal and you can easily adjust the needle stick out. Agree, this is design of the machine, it's very professional and beautiful. Thank you very much for being with me. Bye bye!